Alright, so I am recording again. It is Wednesday, May 29 at 11:53 a.m. MacBook Air, May 29, 11:53 a.m. Okay, this is activity monitor, energy usage. Ooh, phone went to 141 degrees. Right there, 141 degrees. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to QuickTime. Actually, before I turn on QuickTime there, I am going to go here, Apple, Force Quit, and I see QuickTime today. QuickTime is now running in the background. Amazing. That's a change because it normally is running in the background. Okay, let me quit that. I go to QuickTime here, and I go File, Screen Recording, Hello, hello, and I go Screen Recording. And I go here. Right, so now I'm recording. There it is. I'm recording. Here's QuickTime. QuickTime there. Says QuickTime prevents sleep. It's running at 40, 42, 46. Alright. I'm gonna go to CPU. It's using up 38% of the energy right now, which is quite low, given that sometimes today's behaving when I'm recording. Here is QuickTime there, and the phone doesn't want to focus. QuickTime activity monitor is running at 109, and of course I've documented running at 300 and 400. Here it's running at 109, and at the time temperature was 212 degrees right there. Okay, so I'm going to close the screenshot, close this folder, go back, shift up activity monitor over, and what's that thing there? Right, whatever that is, that's running at 59, which is incredibly high. KEXTA cache. KEX cache is running at 98.6 now. Ooh, temperature just came on the phone at 147. So this is all processors and activity monitor, CPU. Okay, now I'm going to click on energy. QuickTime is running at 41. And down here, 98% of power is lasting 17 hours when I'm recording with QuickTime. That is amazing, because here I am recording with QuickTime. It was yesterday, May 28th. And oh, it doesn't want to focus. 73% power. I got 4 hours. Sometimes at 50% power, I receive 1 hour of use. Anyways, fully documented, but today is perfection. Today, 97% of power, 90 of charge, 97. I get 17 hours. I've never seen anything like it. Never. hold on a second. Let me see if I can pull up a screenshot of QuickTime just lasting 1 hour and 30 minutes when I'm recording. Look at the look here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop recording. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go test. T-E-S-T, test. And I'm going to, it doesn't want to focus. There we go, save. Oh, this, okay. Test is here, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to QuickTime. QuickTime file, and I'm going to do movie recording. Movie record, start it, and it is recording. So I'm going to go to QuickTime now, and QuickTime is showing as 32.8 in energy impact, 29.7, and yes, it prevents sleep. I'm going to go to CPU now. QuickTime is at 20.5. All right, 21.5. So I've recorded QuickTime as being around early 20s. I'm going to shift that aside. It's QuickTime, and here's a screenshot. So here is the screenshot of QuickTime running at 109 with screen recording. And I said big difference here because QuickTime movie recording was at 22.9. That's 22.9, but it's not focusing. 22.9, you can see that there. The phone is not focusing. Temperature is 147. Not focusing, but it's 22.9. 22.9 right there. All right, so big difference. I'm going to close this here. So it's recording. Oh, 147, the alarm just came on. And I'm going to go back to activity monitor. So here's activity monitor, CPU. QuickTime is running at 21.4. 21.4. I'm going to click on energy. So here we go. Energy is 96% power, is lasting 16 hours. Never have I seen such a thing. This is amazing. So it's not focusing. So 96% power is lasting 16 hours. Not focusing. Oh, phone is incredibly hot. Can't even touch it. It's so hot. What it says there is 96% power is lasting 16 hours and 30 minutes. Never seen such a thing. I'm going to put the phone down and I'm going to take a screenshot. All right, I just took a screenshot of that. All right, so I just took a screenshot of that. 96% power is lasting 16 hours and 20 minutes. Again, never seen such a thing. Time since the battery has been charged is 15 minutes. Okay, so I am going to stop this recording. Close it. And I'm going to call it test 2. TEST 2. So like I said, right there, it says 16 minutes since this device has been plugged into a power source. According to Apple, time on battery means how long you have had the Mac unplugged from a power source. Okay, so according to this, it's 16 minutes, so it doesn't want to focus anymore. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, shut down. Okay, shut down. Again, nothing plugged in on this side and nothing plugged in on this side. Okay, so now I'm going to open it up. Incredibly hot phone. Okay, go here. So today that I'm recording, now that I'm recording, it's showing perfection on the device. I'm gonna go to activity monitor, and activity monitor to me that the device was plugged into a power source 0 minutes ago. It's 95% power right now. Wait for it to figure out it's calculating. Doesn't want to focus. 147 degrees on the phone, so it's not focusing as yet. But what it says in the first line, it says remaining charge 95%, calculating time remaining, and then the last line it says time on battery is 0. Alright, so now 95% power is lasting 9 hours and 21 minutes. I'm going to expand on that. Nope. There we go. Remaining charge. Huh. There it is. So remaining charge 95%. Time remaining on that 95% is 9 hours 21 minutes. So at 100% I get 20 hours. At 95% I'm getting 9 hours 21 minutes. Time on battery, time since it was last charged, plugged into a power outlet, is 1 minute. Okay, so Houston, we have a problem. Okay, so I am going to stop recording. Stop. If you don't see the stop, That's not quite a stop. Stop. All right,